I want to show you this Tesla Model 3. Looks stock because it is, but ow. Once we're done with it, it will not be stock. We're actually doing quite a bit of things to this thing. We're going to be satin guarding the whole car. This gloss white is going to be matte, satin, translucent white. You guys have seen it before. We're actually lowering the thing as well with Novitec Lowering Springs. And to top it off, we're actually going to be putting 21-inch four-shine wheels on this Model 3.
Oh, yo, nice. Tesla, open hood.
Novitec.
I was just curious.
Novitec. Why'd you pick Novitec? Novitec Lowering Springs for the Tesla Model 3. So for those of you who are interested in the springs for your Tesla, the Novitec springs will lower your Model 3 by about 30 millimeters. So 30 millimeters, you're looking at about 1.2 inches, give or take, maybe more, maybe less. But the great thing is you're gonna get a nice moderate height, which is good because it'll be noticeable. At the same time, it's not gonna be getting too crazy, which is what you want. Telaku touch 10. Are you expecting to get this done today?
Yeah.
Oh.
I need you to pull down on this. Release spring tightener and remove spring. Insert the spring distance kit between spring and spring seat.
Why are you smiling?
I'm just thinking about Tiger King, bro.
I feel like you have a really abnormal obsession over it now.
I have a slight obsession.
Dustin was just laughing to himself about Tiger King. He was just laughing by himself.
Can't write that story.
Is Tiger King the most excitement you've had in a while?
Yeah. Look, the other side got even better. 4.6. All right, come up more.
We're getting ready to switch out the OEM wheels with the Vorsteiner 109. All right, so a quick in progress update. Novitec Lowering Springs are put on, as you can see. Vorsteiner 109s and 21-inch wheels are put on. We changed the center caps from the red ones to the black ones, so it's a little bit more subtle. Next is the alignment, as well as wrapping the whole car in satin guard.